How's it going, everybody? It's Kamdorian. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a change out of my phone mount for my Kawasaki Vulcan 650S. So right now I have this car accessories mount, which I got from Amazon. It's not bad. It clamps onto your handlebars just like that. Has this, I guess, thing that you use to tighten, this bolt to tighten it, and it holds on nicely. It does slide down a little bit sometimes, so I have to kind of pick it up again. The reason that I'm getting rid of this mount is because it's pretty annoying to get the phone in it. You have to like spread these clamps, then you have to pull these around and wrap them around your phone. And I mean, it holds the phone perfectly, no issues there when riding, but it does vibrate a lot, so you know the phone will kind of be shaking. I've heard that constant vibration on your phone can mess with your camera on the phone, so obviously I don't want that to happen. And it's just a pain in the butt to get the phone in the mount and out of the mount. Other thing is these clamps always push on the side volume buttons on the phone, so that's also kind of annoying. And yeah, so I bought a Quadlock, so I'm going to be removing this mount and installing the Quadlock. Alright, so here is everything I got with the Quadlock kit. This is basically the mount that goes in your handlebar. It comes in different options. You can have it mount to your mirrors, or even the some like front fork thing or something, and a lot of sport bikes that have that. I got the one for the handlebar mount, so it's going to basically go exactly where my current one is. So this kit comes with the mount and the phone case. And these are some of the additional accessories I bought. So I got the phone ring stand. So my current phone has a pop socket, Baby Yoda. Obviously I love the pop socket, the functionality. It's very easy to hold. So this is gonna kind of replace that functionality on this case, which is what you have to put on your phone to use the Quadlock. I also got the vibration dampener to reduce the vibration that the phone feels. And then I also got this locking lever in black. So the stock locking lever is blue. Although I love the color blue, it doesn't really go with my black bike, so I'm going to replace that lever as well. Also, this kit is a little pricey for a phone mount, so I think the base price for just the mount, which comes with the mount and the case for whatever phone you have, is about like 70 or 80 bucks, depending on which mounting option you take. So this one was, I think, 70, and then these accessories are additional. Like this is like 10 bucks, and then I think the ring stand is like 15 or 20, and the dampener is like another maybe 10 or 15 dollars. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check out the Quadlock website if you want to buy any of these. Overall, it is a little pricey, but I just wanted something that's very sturdy, very easy to remove and put the phone on. And obviously Quadlock has very good reviews. People use it all over the place, so I figured I'd give it a shot. So let's get everything unboxed and get it installed. Alright, everything is unboxed. So with the kit, you get all these items. You get these rings, so depending on what outer diameter of your handlebars, they give you different adapters. So this is 22 millimeters, a 28 millimeter, 25 millimeter. Hopefully I can be okay with this one, the stock one. Comes with little Allen keys. This is the clamp, and then you get the phone case. The phone case is pretty nice. It seems pretty thick and durable. There's also a foam padding here, or a velvet padding, to protect your phone. Obviously you have all the holes that you need for whatever phone you have, and they have different options for iPhone, Google Pixel phone, Android, whatever Samsung you have. Obviously you get these manuals, warranty information, blah blah blah. You get a bunch of stickers. The vibration dampener is just kind of a screw on the bottom. Comes with an Allen key as well. The phone ring for the phone case comes with this little clip. Not really sure what this is for. Maybe you can hang it on your phone or something. And then this is just the replacement clip. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is obviously take off my existing case. I do love this case. It's very grippy and nice, so I'm going to miss it, but hopefully this new Quadlock case is good enough. Alright, so I got the Quadlock case installed on my phone. Feels pretty good in the hand. It is a little thicker in the back compared to my current one. All the buttons on the side work. It's not like too hard to press or anything. The volume buttons work. The fingerprint sensor on the back obviously is not obstructed, so it works. Alright, so installing this ring mount thing is very easy. The way the Quadlock really works is that you just have these grooves, and then it's like a turn, it's like basically a turn dial that just locks in. You put it in to match the shape, and then you just turn it to lock it in. Like that, and you hear a snap. You feel and hear the click, so you know it's locked in. So now the ring is in, and it works. You know, you can just hold your phone, do whatever you want to do. And yeah, it works like a pop socket kind of. And you put it down. You can't have this ring holder in the phone if you know, and then use also the mount. So you have to remove this every time you want to mount your phone onto your bike, because you know these grooves are now taken up by the ring. So you have to remove it, and then you can have the grooves on the mount actually be used by the grooves of the phone. Alright, so now we're at the handlebars of the bike. So essentially the kit's going to come with this bracket, and this obviously goes around your handlebars, and then it also has this piece right here, which is the actual quad lock. So you're going to want to remove this screw in the middle here, and there's also a screw right here which I already took out, which attaches this bracket to the ring mount. You don't need to use this arm here on the ring mount. You can actually just remove it and then mount it directly on here. So then basically your quad lock will just be like this. You're not gonna have that extra arm. So first thing you're gonna do obviously is remove those screws like I said, and then there's also a screw in here which I already removed, and that basically, you know, closes the clamp. So first I'm gonna take this. So this is the 25 millimeter or 1 inch. So I think these are about 1 inch, so it fits nicely on the Vulcan 650 bars. It's not super tight, but I think it's a perfect fit. You probably don't want it to be too tight. So I'm gonna move it over a little bit here, and then I'm gonna open this up, slide it under. There's some wiring there for your brake lever, and also the controls here, but it's fine. And then once you get that arm underneath, you can just kind of rotate it, get it mounted wherever you want. Alright, so you got the bolt in there, and it's really easy. Once you loosen it, you can just rotate it. So obviously I want it rotated this way, so the phone is facing me while I'm riding. Let's give it a little bit of an angle. I'm going to try right there, and obviously I can just quickly adjust it again if it's not the right angle. I'm not going to fully tighten it just because I want to make sure that the phone is angled properly before I fully tighten it. Alright. I do have this vibration dampener, which is the next thing that you're going to mount. So it's going to basically go like that. And it has, like, you know, teeth on the bottom here that match the teeth on the mount. So you can just kind of rotate it in, and there's already a built-in bolt in there, see on the bottom here. So you just kind of use your Allen key and screw it in. Alright, that's nice and tight. This is basically just like a shock spring kind of thing. So there's, like, you know, 3 different springs in here, so it kind of absorbs any vibrations from your bars so your phone doesn't vibrate. So I think we're on the last step here now. So I'm going to take this bolt out so I can get rid of this blue clip and put the black clip on. So let's get that out. Alright, so once you unscrew that bolt, you're basically going to have something that looks like this. I already took it out. So basically there is this spring underneath, spring clamp, and you have 2 holes on both sides. So you obviously have 2 notches here that go inside that hole. So essentially you're just gonna rotate it all the way back. This spring will pop out, and then you can easily just pull you know, this out from both sides. So the blue one is gone and the black one is going in. Essentially you have to get this in by going, if you see there's like a little railing right there on both sides. So you go in upside down or to the side like this, and then you have it in, right? So this is on, but that spring now is gone, so I need to put that spring in. Alright, so now that this is in, I'm going to try to just sneak this spring in there. We're almost in, I think. Yep, there you go. So yeah, you just got to jam it in there and then you can close it. And now you have this kind of spring action. So that's it, the black clamp is on. Alright, so we mounted the dampener. Now we're going to mount the actual quad lock. And without the screw, this is just a separate piece. So this goes on top, this goes on top, line up the teeth so obviously it's not spinning. Get your screw, and you want to push down on it while you're screwing it, otherwise it won't go in. Get it nice and tight. Alright. So that's it. That is the quad lock. It is installed. Let's pop the phone on, see if it works. So you're supposed to just kind of get in there. Ah, there you go. You gotta just put some pressure on it. So pop it on and turn it, and that's it. It's mounted. So yeah, that's it. And then to release it, obviously it says push there. Push it, turn it, and that's it. It's gone, one-handed, easy. So I'm gonna probably mount my phone sideways, so let's try that. Yep, just like that. Super easy. That's the final look of the quad lock. It looks very nice and clean, very low profile. It's obviously a little bit higher because I have the vibration dampener, but if I didn't have it, it would be very almost flush with this bar here, or this mounting hole. So yeah, I'm very happy with it so far. It looks great, it looks very clean, and that black just blends right in. Exactly what I wanted. So let's take it on a ride and see how it does on the road. Alright, let's take the Vulcan on a ride, test out the quad lock here. So we got the mount here. I'm gonna go for a horizontal mount, so just pop it on. And that's it, it's on, that easy. You do feel the click. Just gonna double check it. Yeah, you do feel the click, so you know it's on. Alright, so we're on the road with the quad lock, and it is holding up great so far. Obviously the phone has not fallen off or anything like that, and it also kind of looks like it's not vibrating as much as my old phone mount. I do have the vibration dampener installed with the quad lock. Pull over right here, and I'm gonna put the GPS on. Yeah, I do need to get some touch gloves that I can just use the phone with the gloves. Don't have those yet. Aha, so in this position I cannot get the touch sensor. Alright, so let's put the GPS on. If I mount it this way, because the sensor is right there for the fingerprint. So if I mount it like this. Alright, let's see how those vibrations are. Yeah, I mean, obviously going over bumps, it is a little shaky, but
I definitely feel like it is much better than my old mount. I mean, obviously I didn't have any issues seeing the phone and the GPS on my old one, but it looks great so far. Probably gonna have to get some gas. Yeah, no issues holding the phone secure. Like I said, it's very easy to pop on and pop off. It's like a no fuss, no hassle mechanism. Yeah, it does look like it's much let's see, on this bumpy road it is shaking a little bit, but I think that's really just a vibration dampener. I wonder how it would be without the dampener. Might be I don't know, might be better, might be worse, who knows, but yeah, I'm happy with it so far. As I said, the main reason for me getting this mount was because it's low profile. It's very easy to get the phone in and out of, as opposed to my previous mount, which had the clamp and the rubber straps and all that, and then it pressed on the buttons sometimes. So this is like no issues on the buttons, nothing's being squeezed where it shouldn't be. So went through some bumps, some speed, and the phone is still there. Now, that was a big bump, caught me off guard. The phone is still holding on securely with very minimal vibration. Yeah, it is very, very crisp and clean. I can see exactly what the phone is showing. Definitely is a lot less vibration compared to my old mount, now that I think of it. And now that I just look at it, it's very, very steady. All right, we got some bumps coming up here. Not bad. I mean, it vibrates, but I guess the dampening kind of makes it so it doesn't keep vibrating. It just kind of shakes for a little bit and then it stops because the dampener. Yeah, that was pretty bumpy. Pretty bumpy roads. Oh, that was a big ass bug. Hit me right in the face. And that is why I wear a full face helmet. But yeah, it's overall I think it's a great product. I mean, I really got the vibration dampener because I read that basically if your phone just keeps vibrating all the time, or while you're riding too, if it vibrates too much, it can damage the camera in some way. So that's why I got the vibration dampener. It was only like $10 or $15 more, so I was like, why not? My phone is fairly new, so obviously I don't want to risk damaging the camera. I think it's a great product. Easy to take the phone off, easy to put it on, very easy to install, as I showed earlier in the video. I would definitely recommend it if you can afford it. That's pretty much my review of the Quadlock. Great product. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button for more videos, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.